Okay, we're going to have a look at this problem where we have basically a black box with a couple of resistors in, and we need to work out between which terminals the resistors are. So if we take a look at what's connected between A and B, we just have one resistor. We don't know whether it's the 220 ohm or the 470 ohm resistor. This is the situation between A and B. We could have a 220 ohm or 470 ohm. If we look at what's connected between B and D, we don't know if this is the 220 or the 470 ohm, but we've got one of those. If we connect across CD, we basically just have a piece of wire, okay? And if we connect across AC, we can see that we've got to go through two resistors, okay? So both the 220 and the 470, one after the other. So we can think of an equivalent resistance as 690 between those terminals. Okay, the experimental setup is that you've got your box, okay, with four terminals. Just choosing two of the terminals, we don't know what is between those. Okay, it could be any of the situations as I've talked about. So what you'd do is you would connect up your 6-volt battery through an ammeter through the 100 ohm resistor to your two terminals. And then basically you're going to be trying to decide what is the total resistance in the circuit by the reading on your ammeter. Okay, so let's imagine that we've connected across two terminals and it happens to be that between those two terminals we have 220 ohms. Then the current that we're going to record is going to be the voltage of our power supply divided by the total resistance in the circuit. Okay, in this case it's going to be 6 volts divided by our 100 ohm resistor plus our 220. Okay, so 6 over 320 gets us 0.019 amps. Okay, so if we see 0.019 amps on our ammeter, we know we have the 220 ohm resistor between those two terminals. If we instead we have 470 ohms between the two terminals, then we'll get a different current. So the current will be the voltage over the total resistance in the circuit. So it's going to be 6 volts divided by our 100 plus the 470 and gets us 0.011 amps. Okay, so if we see this reading on our ammeter, we know that we have the 470 ohm between the two terminals. If we have just a wire connected between two terminals, then we'll do voltage on our power supply just divided by the resistance of our 100 ohm resistance. So 6 over 100 would get us that current. So if we know that we've got that current, if we see we've got that current, then we know we just have a wire between the two terminals. And finally, if we have the 220 and 470 ohm between the two terminals, it's going to be 6 over 100 plus 690, as those two added together, and we'll get us a current of 0.008 amps. Okay, so we know if we see 0.008 amps on our ammeter, then we have the two resistors connected between the two terminals. And that's it.